Hello, friends. This is Dr. Medha Deshpande, a nutritionist, your friend, and a wellness consultant. Welcomes you to this episode of my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to discuss a unique nutrient present in rose petals. Rose can be used for eating. Rose has many nutrients in it. Are you aware about it? Bioflavonoid and polyphenols are rich in rose petals. Rose petals are having vitamin C, vitamin A, some important minerals. Rose hip is also very rich in vitamin C. And from ancient times, human races have been using flowers for eating purposes, and you can add variety, color, aroma, and nutrition which is natural in your diet by incorporating fresh flowers and especially roses. Okay, so let's see some of the uses from ancient times. Rose petals are used in gulkand, which is very delicious and has many benefits. Gulkand is diuretic. Gulkand is best for hyperacidity. Gulkand is best for beating the heat. It is a natural coolant. Then Gulkand is best for adding aroma in your diets, and it's very rich and natural. Only thing is, do not eat flowers which are available on the roadsides, plants, or flowers which are sprayed with pesticides and herbicides. And all the flowers are good. You can prepare wonderful tea, iced tea also. Boil some rose petals in water, and that water after you can be used as a rose syrup, or can be prepared tea out of it. And it not only tastes good, it is soothing for your nerves. There are various uses of flowers in beauty industry also. Essential oils are prepared from rose petals, and you can directly apply essential oils from roses on dry skin along with aloe vera, and it is good for face packs. You can prepare detox water with rose petals. And now summer is coming, so sometimes vegetables and fruits you don't feel like eating, then incorporate rose in various forms, and you can prepare rose milkshake, you can prepare rose lassi, you can prepare gulkand lassi. Pushkar is a place famous for gulkand lassi. Then gulkand ice cream is famous from Bangalore. Then bun maska and gulkand is also famous from Bangalore. Then gulab pak or barfi, which is prepared from gulkand, is very famous from Kutch region. Then Bijnor and Kannauj, these two places from UP, they are very famous for gulkand. And they prepare fragrances, natural fragrances also from various flowers, which can be used as essence for preparing various foods and to increase the value of it. So try these new things, and enjoy the benefits, always with colors and flavors, with natural stuff, and it is all packed with nutrition, so it's my favorite. And I'll be coming with some other interesting food stuffs next time. Till then, bye, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, share this information with your friends. Bye till then.